Couple of things. In my closing arguments, I just want to say, I understand what the prosecution is trying to say. You know, the funny thing about black people, being a black person, is what we expect out of our people who we put into this situation of power. And what we expect is everything. We expect Jay-Z to be Barack. We expect LeBron to be Barack. We expect them to say the correct thing, even though we understand that they are not politicians. My client is not a scholar. My client is an artist. And what he was trying to do was put words together that I don't think he had. Let's talk about slavery being a choice. When you say slavery is a choice, I think what he's trying to say is that they put a mentality on slavery that we still suffer from today, i.e. why you can move a slave from a plantation, have them come up to Detroit and work to making cars. I'm sorry, Mr. Taylor, what do they call the place where they make the Chrysler cars?
The plant.
The fucking plant. Do black people run the plant? No, they fucking make cars. People who work in the plant make about $80,000 a year if they're lucky. Making trucks, 400 trucks a day. The trucks cost $65,000. So I made you $65,000 400 fucking times today, and I'm getting paid a truck and a half for the year. Sound like slavery to me? See, what people hate about Kanye is that Kanye is unapologetically black. That's the problem. We bite our tongues at work, because we like to apologize for being black a lot. We say shit that we don't want to say so we can get our check. Kanye made clothes that's ripped up, but guess what? Do you ever think about the fact that Kanye's showing you that you can make some clothes that's not ripped up and sell them bitches too? A black man selling clothes to the world? A black man who getting his clothes sold for $3,000 because of his name is not fucking black history? Everybody can't be Martin Luther King. As a matter of fact, you don't want that job unless you're willing to be that nigga. Everybody don't want to be Martin Luther King. And we shouldn't want everybody to be Martin Luther King. We gotta stop that. That's not our responsibility to make the next Martin Luther King. The next Martin Luther King has it in his soul to be that, and we wouldn't even have to tell him. Not a nigga who made cold ass beats. He is what he is. His black card should not get revoked. Let it be on record that Kanye felt like, since he knew Donald Trump, he could go and sit down with him, similar to what Ice Cube tried to do. Did he do any harm in the White House by sitting down with Donald Trump? Is Jim Brown, who was sitting right there with him, on trial too? It's like, dog, like, we get into a frenzy. And that's what they want, us to be into a frenzy. You know what else get into a frenzy? Fish. They get them into a big ass frenzy, and then big ass whales, companies, corporations come and eat their ass up. And that was the whole fucking plan. But I rest my case though, because hey, you know, what do I know? You know, I'm just trying to defend a man's blackness.